In Affinity, you can only create raster-based patterns. But for this polka dot pattern, it's actually possible to have that vector-based. And let's take a look at how to pull that off. So I've got my shape here, and then I'm going straight to the fill tool, and then of course set the context to fill, and then in the type, we're going to select hatch. You see, these are diagonal lines. We're going to leave them currently, and we're only going to change the line weight, which is in here. You can make them thicker. So and next we need to set up some things inside of that hatch pattern, which is here. So the first thing is you're going to make that horizontal. It's easier later on with that. And then we're going into those settings and we're going to set up dashes and spaces. So I'm going to add a dash, and this needs to be set to 0. And then we need to set up a space, and you see already we've got some space. So set this lower. So let's set this to 0.2. That looks already nice. And if you want to have them spaced a little further, so we're going to 0.4, that's okay. So next we need to set up some spacing because they are currently just below each other. So we're going to set up the spacing, and you see, like this perhaps. Let's set this up to 0.4, like the distance, like this. And now we need to shift them. Let's shift them by 0.2. And then we have them set up inside of each other's gaps, and maybe we can have a little lower value in here, like this. So and afterwards, you can again change this angle to rotate that inside of your object. And the next thing would be you go to the swatches panel, and inside of that you can save it and have that pattern for later. And now of course you can also color that differently. So it currently has that mint background, and you can go here and set that to no background, and also change the black to some color to get your polka dots, and that's how you pull that off.